So definitely this is something that you can wear for date night. Definitely will wow your date, like, oh girl, okay. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Camille Nicole, and this is It Could All Be So Simple. Just like the Lauryn Hill quote, it could all be so simple, but you'd rather make it hard. I'm here to make it easy for you. So if that's your vibe, you're all about fashion, style, and being yourself, stick along for the journey, stick along for the ride. Just make sure to subscribe, and let's get into today's video. So today we are doing a dress haul. So we're finally getting some consistent weather, even though it's back looking crazy. But warm weather is on the way, so let's get into some spring dresses. And these dresses can also carry you over into the summer. I'm gonna have some from a couple of different categories, so we kind of have everyday, more comfortable kind of dresses. Then we're gonna have some vacation slash date night dresses, and then we're gonna have something more so for a sporty kind of casual vibe. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So the first two dresses that I'm going to talk about are from a brand that I shop at very often. It's Banana Republic Factory, because I'm always trying to look for a deal, and the quality is definitely no different from Banana Republic, because I used to work there, so I can vouch for it. Quality is just as good at Banana Republic Factory. And they usually do have very similar items when it comes to, so maybe you see something on Banana website, but it's a little too expensive, because they definitely have raised their prices. So I would suggest looking over at the factory and seeing what you can find there, because this is one of the dresses. This is a twill seamed mini dress. So as you can see, this dress has this kind of, it's twill fabric, and then you see the piping, the seams going down in the front and in the back, so it gives you kind of that snatched look, and then the bottom flares out. It's such a cute and flirty little dress. It says mini dress, but honestly it's not that short. I would wear shorts under it, because I always do wear shorts under my dresses. Depending on where you're going, you know, you just have to be mindful, because it does flare up in the back about bending down and being stuff like that. But this is something, depending on your office, something you can wear pretty much on an everyday basis. You could even throw some sneakers on with this if you want to just look cute, but you want to keep it cash. I did pair this with a pair of my new sling heels that I got from Mark Fisher, and they're on this kind of raffia fabric, so I kind of went with that neutral, earthy kind of vibe with this dress. I think it's such a cute dress, such a flattering dress, and something you can wear in multiple ways. So as I mentioned, this is one of my everyday dresses, and for sizing, this is a size 10 that I am wearing. Okay, dress number 2. Okay, so for dress 2, and don't mind the wardrobe chain, this is just a little foreshadowing for what's to come, but dress 2 is gonna be literally the epitome of an everyday dress, and that is the Poplin mini dress. As I mentioned, this dress is also from Banana Republic Factory. This is the perfect dress. It's really just a dress that you can just throw on and go. If you want to dress it up, you can. If you want to add a belt to it, you can. If you want to just wear it as is, you can. I did get a size large in it, because I definitely wanted it to have more of that oversized fit, because it is something that I would want to wear to work, that I can go from work and get drinks after work, that I can just throw on over a beach cover up, a bathing suit. Just something that I literally can wear every day, every occasion, a graduation. I'm in there with this dress. This dress is so cute and so comfortable, and it has pockets. What's better than like a everyday dress with pockets? It's such a cute dress. It has the little button detailing in the front, just to give it a little bit of a more, I guess, elevated look than your typical shirt dress, because this kind of is reminiscent of, minus having the belt. This is just that kind of easy breezy dress. You can wear definitely something you get comfortable, and it comes in different colors, so definitely check that out. I did include the link for both of these dresses in my bio. Out of the dress number 1 and dress number 2, which one is more your style? Please comment down below and let me know. And while I have you here, if you haven't already subscribed, definitely please make sure to stay locked and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate the support and love. I'm on my YouTube journey, so let's just ride out. And then let's get into look 3. Actually, since I'm wearing it, let's just get into it now. So this very fun, sporty, cute little dress is from Aerie. This is a size medium. I probably am going to size up just to give me a little more length, and it is a little tight in the bust area. Like, I don't need these all pushed up. I mean, it's still gonna be pushed up in the large, but it'll give me a little more length, like I said, and a little more less tightness. It's very comfortable, don't get it twisted. Like, it's very comfortable. It's stretchy material. It's like that sporty material. This dress is called it's Offline Aerie and it's the tiebreaker pleated dress in the color pistachio, which is this very limey color, cute green. It also comes in white, black, I believe red. Don't hold me to it, but it'll be included in the link. But it's very cute and flirty, like for my sporty girls, my tennis and pickleball girls. This is the dress for you, and it's a skirt. Of course, who doesn't want this cute little flirty fun dress that has shorts built into it, and the comfortable shorts at that. And I paired this with this button up just to kind of elevate the look a little more, because without it, as you can see from the video, but I'll also show you real time, it is just a tank top. It has built-in padding in it, so no need to have a bra on, which is always a plus. And it has kind of this, you know, a deep V-ish kind of crew neckline. It kind of gives me low-key sweetheart, like a deep sweetheart. It just doesn't have that thing, but it's very cute. The neckline is very cute. The back kind of has that same cut. You can see that this particular color, you can kind of see my skin through it, but you don't have to worry about anybody seeing anything. Your bust is covered and the goodies are covered. So, but it is such a cute little fun dress. If you don't mind the length, like I said, I'm gonna do the large just so I can get more length. Usually with sporty stretchy items, I do tend to get a medium because they have a lot of stretch, but I would want more length in this because I would probably be wearing this maybe running errands, or at least try. So let's see what hubby says, but I think we're good. Especially if I get a little more length, I'm good to go. And I pair with the white top, it'll even look like, you know, it just looks like your regular old pleated skirt. Let me know what you think about this color. Let me know what you think about this dress. It's super cute. If you have any questions about it, definitely make sure you leave a comment and let me know. And let's get into dress 4. So with dress 4, we're now going to move into that date night vacation vibe portion. We already did the sporty, which is this pleated skirt dress. We did the everyday kind of, you can wear casually, or you can wear dressed up, you can wear it to work, you can wear pretty much whatever. It's those kind of easy outfits that you can just grab and put it on and just have everything all together. Those are your dresses. So now let's get into the date night and vacay dresses. So this first dress that I will be talking about is from both dresses are from Express. So we're going to start off with this kind of tribal looking dress with the back cut out. So the name of this dress is the satin printed V-neck tie front cutout midi dress. It's a mouthful, but it's so cute and so flattering. It is a satin material, as I mentioned in the name of the dress. It's satin, but it's very comfortable. The tie in the front is something that you can physically tie, so you can tighten it or loosen it depending on your bust or just your level of comfortability. The cutout is super cute. It has the kind of ruching elastic band at the bottom of the top and the back, so it gives you a little more space depending on, you know, or just size in general. That kind of helps with your bust area as well. I did get a size medium in this because I did want to make sure that it fits me. I do feel that satin dresses tend to run a little bigger. So that's why I got the medium in the size dress, because I wanted it to be kind of fit to my figure, which it definitely is. It's so good. I love that the sleeves are 3/4, but they're wide, kind of like a bell. So if you're on a tropical island somewhere and it's nice and humid, you have the space for air to come through the dress. I've said it before, I'm all about being easy breezy, cool. I don't like sweating. So if I can avoid that, especially in a satin dress, nobody wants to sweat in satin. And then the print just gives you vacay, it gives you summer, it gives you African queen, to be honest. And I love it, and I'm here for it. So definitely this is something that you can wear for date night. Definitely will wow your date, like, oh girl, okay. It's just a cute dress, and I love that it's a midi length instead of it being a mini or a maxi. I love midi length dresses because it just gives you more comfortability as far as if you might be timid about your legs. Listen, you can skip a little shave a little bit that day. It's a great dress, and I do find it to be very comfortable. As far as getting into the dress, the bottom does have a zipper on it, but the top doesn't, so it is a little weird to get into, but it's not super hard. But I just wanted to put that disclaimer in because me putting it on the first time was pretty easy. Second time I was like, okay, wait, what? But let's get into dress number 5. Last but not least, it's this crochet ribbed v-neck halter cutout midi sweater dress. One thing I'll say about Express is they love words in their titles for their items. And I got this in the color pitch black. I'm wearing a medium in this just because it is a sweater dress. So I already knew going into it that it was going to be stretchy because it's a sweater dress, so it expands. You definitely don't want to wear above your size, to your typical size in a sweater dress, because then it would leave you with a bunching, and you don't want that. Especially something like this, I wanted it to also fit my form just like I wanted with the satin dress. And this dress is definitely a sexy one. So if it's not your vibe, I understand, but it's definitely giving date night. One thing I will say is if you do want to wear this dress and you're a little self-conscious, pop it on with a blazer and you're good to go, because then you would avoid seeing all the sides or the back of the dress, because it is a cute dress. And your date will already be like, oh wow, when they see you from the front because of the v-neck and then the mesh in the front. It's a very cute and detailed dress. It is also very comfortable. I mean, if you need to wear Spanx with it, definitely do, or high waist long, compression panties, because it's a cute little dress, and it's something that also you can bring on vacation and you can carry into the summer. Right now, like I said, you can throw it on with a light jacket or a blazer just to give you that added layer and to cover up some of the skin, just in case if that's not your vibe, but you might still like the dress. But it's definitely an option for those. I tried to give a little bit of each for each category, tried to hit on different people's style. When I first saw the dress, it reminded me of my dress that I wore for my 25th birthday, but a little more sexy. But I was like, ooh, this is cute, and Express doesn't tend to make certain things like this. So I was like, oh, I gotta try this on. I gotta see what this is all about. But that's it, guys. That's all 5 dresses I have. So I said a little more for every day, some sporty, and then some date night vacation kind of dresses. So please let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite. I will include all links in my description. Please make sure to like this video if you did enjoy it. Please let me know which one was your favorite item. Definitely subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll check in with you guys later. Bye. Thank you for watching.